Meet Emily. Like you, she's a Northwood University technology user. She's been experiencing IT-related issues but knows exactly who to contact. Emily heard the IT Help Desk has resources available around the clock to assist end users. She visits helpdesk.northwood.edu to view all her IT assistance options. The client portal uses Team Dynamics software to provide a user-friendly interface for the Northwood community. She's impressed. Emily realizes a great starting point would be to review the knowledge base. Here she will find answers to common IT requests with easy fixes. To access the knowledge base, Emily will click the Search for Answers button on the left-hand side of the page. She can search for her issue by category, view recently added articles, popular articles, or even use the search bar for all articles in the client portal. It looks like Emily has a unique situation, as she was unable to find an answer using the knowledge base. No worries. She can still submit a service request so she doesn't have to wait on the telephone or for the help desk to open. Self-service is always open, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To submit her request, Emily will go to helpdesk.northwood.edu. Here she will choose the Submit an IT Request button and be taken to a list of IT categories. To locate a specific service, Emily will read the descriptions and select an item that applies to her issue. Selecting a category will list specific IT services that Emily can select. After choosing her service, Emily can choose the green Submit IT Request button. This begins the process of reporting Emily's issue to the IT Help Desk. Before Emily can submit a request, the system will require her to log in using her my.northwood.edu username and password. When submitting her service request, Emily must ensure that her contact information is included, that she is very descriptive with the issue, and that she fills out all of the required fields. After the form is completed, she clicks Submit. It even provides her with the service request number right then. It's that simple. Emily can later check the status, comment on her request, or even withdraw the issue by going to helpdesk.northwood.edu and clicking the My Submitted Request button. After logging in, she will be able to make edits and also see a list of all of her Northwood IT requests. If you would like to reach out to the IT Help Desk team using a different method, please feel free to give us a call at 877-209-HELP to speak directly with an IT analyst. Text HELP, H-E-L-P, to 989-837-4421. Email us at helpdesk@northwood.edu or even stop in to visit us on campus. We're located on the second floor of the Griswold Center. We're always here to help.